welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at this Mazda 3. This exterior color is called the Zircon Sand Metallic, which is a very unique color. This one that we are looking at is the hatchback, which is equipped with this double spoiler because this is the 2.5 turbo, which is the most powerful 2.5 turbo engine that Mazda currently offers. On the rear of this also you get this piano black massive diffuser and double exhaust, which help this in standing out. Looking at is equipped with this 18-inch wheels, which look amazing with this color, and on the bottom you also get this piece that is attached to it, which help this in looking better. The regular Mazda 3 with the naturally aspirated 2.5 liter 4-cylinder like engine. The spoiler on the turbo that I showed you, the regular Mazda 3 comes with one spoiler like this, which also looks amazing. This comes standard with front wheel drive, but this one that we are looking at are all equipped with all-wheel drive system. In the interior of this Mazda 3 you get a 10.25 central display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Because this is one of the highest trim level, this one is equipped with this terracotta leather seat, which is really nice. This is powered by this 2.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that is paired with 6-speed automatic transmission. This engine produces 227 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. But when you use 93 octane, you can get up to 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. One place that this Mazda 3 Turbo really shines is that you get about 23 miles to a gallon in the city, 31 miles to a gallon on the highway, and up to 26 miles to a gallon combined, which I think is very impressive. This Mazda 3 can do 0 to 60 in about 5.9 seconds, which is very impressive. Inside this Mazda 3 you get a lot of legroom. That's why it's one of the best hatchback that money can buy today. But if you don't want this more expensive Mazda 3 with a turbo engine, you can also get this Mazda 3 with a 2.5 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine. This one produces 191 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. So which one of these Mazdas do you think you will buy? Do you think you will buy this turbo that cost $36,015 before tax, $425 before tax? Please leave your comment in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share this video so that when I post future videos like this, you will be among the first to see my videos. This Mazda 3 also comes with a sedan like this, so you get more option with this Mazda 3. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Even though this is a compact car, you get a lot of leg room inside, which I think is one of the reasons why this Mazda 3 is going to go down as one of the greatest small hatchback car ever produced. So which one of these two cars do you think you will get? Do you think you will get this Mazda 3 or you will get the Toyota GR Corolla? Please leave your comment in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, subscribe, like and share this video. And I want to say a big thank you to Lee Johnson Mazda here in Kirkland for giving me the opportunity to check out these amazing cars. Thank you, and I will see you next time.